Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Christin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this cut crease purple and pink look with glitter. So as soon as I'm done being a little extra and showing you my look, I'll go ahead and get started. We're going to be starting out with the brows. I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. I'm just going to go ahead and brush my brows upwards and fill them in with the dip brow, starting with outlining them. Start at the bottom and work my way out, and then I outline the top, and then I fill them in starting from the back to the front, and when I get to the front I use less of the pomade and I go upwards in upward stroking motions. Let's go ahead and put on my other brow, and then we're going to use my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and a tiny brush and go ahead and just clean up the eyebrow area. Then I'm going to go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow in number 5 so I can set my eyebrows. I'm going back in with my concealer just so I can prime my eyes with it, and I'm just going to blend that in with my finger. I'm taking this color called Blurr from Milk Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that over my eyelid concealer to set it. And then I'm going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvias with this pink color right here, and I'm going to put that along my crease. I'm just putting this all along my crease, and then I'm going to go ahead and wing it out at the end, and I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Like, I'm really impressed with these shadows. They are so pigmented, it's crazy. So I'm going into the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be using the color called Zobo, and I'm just going to build the intensity of that first color that I put on. I'm going back into the Zulu palette, and hello swatches! I'm going to take this purple color with a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to put that on top of the pink colors just so I can give it some depth and tie it into the purple that I'm going to put on my lid later. Then I'm going back in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to put it on my eyelid and look up so that I know where to cut the crease. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the crease area. Here I'm just going in with a smaller brush just so I can make it a little bit cleaner. I'm just putting more blur on top just so I can make it even. I'm going back into the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to use this shade, this purple shade called Makeda. I'm going to go ahead and spritz my brush first and then apply it all over my eyelid except for in the middle. So after I do that, I'm going into the Saharan II palette, and this color in the middle right here, I'm just going to put that right in the middle of my eyelid. So of course I have to go in and wing my liner out. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the color Trooper Black. And now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with this NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm just going to put that in between the crease and the purple color I put on my lid. And on top of that, I'm going to put this NYX Iridescent Glitter. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I will definitely put it in the description box. So if there's anything that you guys missed or I missed, it will be in the description box. So make sure you open it and read it. So now it's time to start on the face. I went ahead and primed my face with the Too Faced HangoveRx, and then for foundation I'm going to be using these NYX Total Control drops. I've been using these like daily. These are amazing. You can do full coverage or you can do light coverage, but if I'm going to do my makeup, it's going to be full coverage, so we're going to go all in. So after that, I'm going to take my damp beauty blender, and go ahead and blend it out. Blend it all out. Okay, so then I'm going to take my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and go ahead and highlight my face. I'm going to highlight under the eyes, and then I'm going to do like a little bit by my mouth, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. After I blend that all out, I'm going to be taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, And I'm just going to lightly dust a little bit more than I normally would wear on my face. I don't really bake too often. Occasionally I do, but I just like to do this method better. I just dust a little bit on everywhere that I highlighted, down my nose, on my forehead, under my eyes, and my little chin. And guys, I know this is my contour pan, but I know it's bad. I know. But it still works. But anyway, this is called Scandal, and it's from Makeup Geek, and this is probably my favorite contour powder that comes in my color because it just looks amazing. So I'm just going to contour my cheeks and a little bit under my nose and some on my forehead, and then I'm going to take my MAC Skinfinish Mineralized powder, I think it's what it's called, I don't know, and Deepest Dark, and just go ahead and brush away those harsh lines that I got from highlighting and contouring. I'm going to go in and contour my nose a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy brush, but I usually just end up using my fingers because my fingers work better on the nose for blending out contour for some reason. I'm going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray a lot, all over my face. And go in with my Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC and take this shade right here. I don't know what the name of it is, but I will put that in the description box. This is the darkest palette. It comes in 2 different shades. This is a darker one, and that's the darkest shade. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my nose, and any other high points that I can find on my face so I can be all blingy blinged out. Then I'm going to go in with this NYX Powder Puff and Squad Goals and put that all over my lip. Taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lashes for my lashes that I'm going to put on my lashes. It's a lot of lashes. Lashes. These are the e.l.f. Winged and Bold lashes. They're like $4. Anyway, I put those on off camera, and this is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys later.